2 weeks ago, Google quietly published a paper that most people scrolled past. It described a new AI model called Mogen that generates synthetic neurons. This game of Pong you're watching right now is being played by a bunch of brain cells in the dish. Not neurons inspired by biology, not neurons as a metaphor, actual machine-made replicas of brain cells, built from scratch, statistically accurate enough that other AI systems use them as stand-ins for the real thing. And Google is using these synthetic neurons to train AI to decode the real brain faster. Yes, an AI is now making fake neurons to help other AIs understand real ones. That sentence sounds like something from a science fiction novel in 2050. It was a Google research blog post from April 16th, 2026. So this is a rendering of an organoid, which is when you take human cells and have them populate a 3D scaffolding. Recently, they've been able to do this with brain cells, but here's the part that got buried under every other tech story that week. This is not the beginning of AI brain research. It's not even close to the beginning. Google has been mapping the human brain with AI for over a decade. They have already mapped a zebrafish, a fruit fly, a fragment of a mouse's visual cortex containing 500 million connections. A piece of a human brain the size of half a grain of rice. And what they have found along the way, what has already been decoded, what is already possible right now, is significantly further along than most people realize. And what it points toward is one of the most profound questions anyone has ever asked. If AI can map every neuron in your brain and trace every connection, what exactly is left that is private? What is left that is yours? That is what this video is actually about. Here is a number that does not feel real until you sit with it. The human brain contains roughly 86 billion neurons. Each of those neurons connects to thousands of others through structures called synapses. The total number of synaptic connections in a single human brain is estimated at over 100 trillion. 100 trillion connections in one human head. The field trying to map all of this is called connectomics. Connectomics is a word that